Welcome to the Epoint Post Tutorials. Cash Register is a daily sales operation place for placing food order, discount given, keep every record each sale and payment type that made for each customer. Who can operate cash register? Like cashier, manager or any floor staff required to place the food order. Today, I walk you through cash register screen. How to get here? You may refer back my previous tutorial. Let's get started. Click the cash register button. Here is the cash register screen look like. I am split to 4 portions for explanation. On top of this portion, show current receipt information. This portion, show current receipt orders detail. This area is for the entire function key only. This area is for item, menu, function, button configuration. Default number pad for numbers key in. Terminal number, user access ID and name, current shift code and computer current date. Some indicator only appears if activated. Let's start. Select a table, key in head count or packs numbers. Table number is capture. Packs as well. Let's move on to place some orders. Receipt number capture, once you place the first order. Operator display line for display item orders. Function or numbers will display at this line. We are using price default level 0 for this few orders. We support extra 5 price level, which is from price 1 to price 5. Now, I'm going to select a VIP, which is under price 1 level on all the item purchase. Now, Kelvin enjoying the price level 1 for entire bill. Outlet location name. You may switch the skin color time to time. Awesome, isn't it? Let's focus on this receipt windows. Now place more orders on this table. Click on scroll up or down button to view your entire bill orders. Refresh button is to sum up all same item with same price. Special function button, simply select the item at receipt windows, special button will turn to void function. I will describe more in separate tutorial. Alt description is for change display language. As mentioned early, this portion is all function buttons. Not enough may map at manager function screen. Once click on Manager Function Screen, the entire item screen page will change to function screen. You may also map the function button at this screen as well. That's all for now. Be sure to check out with others tutorials. Remember to like, share and following us in Facebook. Thanks for watching.